Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review GigSky. GigSky is a global eSIM provider that offers mobile data plans for travelers who want to stay connected without buying local SIM cards. It works in over 190 countries and is ideal for people who want a quick, digital way to get internet on the go. Based on personal experience, GigSky is easy to set up. You just download the app, choose your destination and buy a data plan. After that, the eSIM is activated on your phone. No need to switch physical SIM card. It's especially helpful for iPhones and newer Android phones that support eSIM. The coverage is generally reliable and speeds are good for browsing, maps, social media, and even video streaming in most areas. The plans are flexible. You can buy data from a single country, a region like Europe, or a global package. Prices are not the cheapest, but they're fair considering the convenience. One of the best features is that there are no contracts and you only pay for what you need. You can top up anytime through the app. The downside is that it's data only, no calls or texts, and customer support can be slow if you run into issues. Overall, GigSky is a legit and useful option for travelers who want a fast, no-hassle internet without roaming fees. It's worth it if you value convenience and flexibility while traveling internationally. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.